Okay, so today we can start with the DB scheme. Okay, so based on the components we have given, or the lighting fixtures and the objects we have placed, we have to calculate the total connected load of this building. Okay, so actually we have to calculate based on each section wise. For the A, B, C, D separately we have to calculate, and based on that we have to create a DB schedule for the department. And we already done that. We have three type of DBs, that is single phase DB and three phase DBs there. And in single phase we have SP and DB, and in three phase we have what? TP and DB, seven segment, and vertical DB. So that we can see each one how to do in SPN, TPN, and seven segment. Okay, so we can start with the single phase one, that is our SPN DB. So this one will be your SPN DB schematic. Okay, so here you can see this is the main command part, and the main command we have a 40 ampere MCB is given here, and from the bus bar using a single pole MCB, multiple connections we have taken here. Okay, so this is the schematic here, so that it will be a single phase incoming and a single phase outgoing. Okay, and so for that I'll copy this one, select this one, and Control C, so you can copy that and just paste in our. Okay, click on OK. And now I'll just delete these because I don't need this one. We have to create a new one. Okay, so I'll just delete these. Then I will copy and paste the same. Okay, two more required. Copy. Okay. So now just create a blank table for this one. And in this table, first one circuit name is given here. And since this one is SPNDB, you have only one phase is given. That is here specifically R phase is given here. R1, R2, R3 are the each phase incoming or phase outgoings. Okay. Then below that you can see the cable size for that each circuit. Then the total load in watts. That is total connected load in watt for each section. Okay, so I have given the names here A, B, C, D. So that means A section will be here, B, C, D, like that. Here you want calculate the load for each section. Okay. Then here light points you can see. Light point means how many number of lighting points are given in A. In section A, how many lighting points are there? How many ceiling fan? How many exhaust fan? 6 ampere socket, 16 ampere socket. So we had to take out the numbers and the total connected load. Okay, so first we'll start with the A. Here, this is the A. So first I'll count the number of components, number of lighting points I have to take out. So here you can see there is 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, so including this one, we have a total 6 lighting points. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 lighting points we have. So that just in the column of lighting points, just type 6 numbers. Just double click there. Just double click there. Then type 6 here. Okay, so 6 lighting points are there. Then how many number of ceiling fans? One number of ceiling fans. So and one here and okay. Then 6 ampere sockets. Let's count number of 6 ampere sockets we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 6 ampere sockets. Okay. So add number 4. Okay. So these are the number of sockets and lighting points we have here. Okay. Now let's calculate the load here. Okay. So for that we can just open the calculator. And now from here, so these are actually 18 watt light, right? So 1, 2, again, if you have it out in the wattage and anything, you can just check it here. So this is the family we copied, right? So for this light, 18 watt is the power. So total we have 5 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 18, that will be a 90 watts will be total for this lighting. Then this light is actually 20 watts. So plus 20. Okay. Then we have one ceiling fan. So plus 60. Again, every wattage is actually given in the table itself. So you can just check it there. 60 is for the ceiling fan. Then we have four 6 ampere sockets. Okay, so one 6 ampere socket, the load will be consuming 60 watts. Okay, so 4 means plus 60 into 4, 240. And so that means you can see that total is what? 410 watts. Okay, so 410 is the total wattage of this space. Clear? So that just add it here. That is total load in circuit in watts. That is 410 watts. Okay. Then Y size. Okay, so I'll come to that in a moment. Okay, so I'll finish this one first, then I'll come to the cable sizing and circuit breaker selection. Okay. Next is section B. Here again, let's count the number of lighting points. We have one light here, one, two, and three. So in section B, lighting points are three number of lighting points. Okay. Then ceiling fan, we have two numbers. Okay, and two here. Then 6 ampere sockets. Okay, 6 ampere sockets. We have one here and two here. So three. So three 6 ampere sockets. So total we have 180. Okay. Three 6 ampere sockets. Okay. Now again, let's calculate the wattage here. Okay, again we have two lighting. So two tube lights, 20 wattage. So total of 40 plus. Then this particular light, I don't know the wattage here. Let me check it. Okay, so it's one number. So 150 is the wattage. Okay, so plus 150 plus two ceiling fan, right? So two ceiling fan 60 60. So plus 120 plus then what we have 360 6 ampere sockets. Okay, so plus 60 into 3, so plus 180, and again we have 490. Okay, so 490 is the load in section B. 490.